Trust me, this Swiss roll recipe is very good and it works perfectly. So for this particular recipe, these are what you need. You need 5 large eggs at least. Each of them should weigh at least 55 grams. You need 100 grams of granulated sugar, 50 grams of liquid milk, 50 grams of vegetable oil or melted butter, 85 grams of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of your flavor. These are the things you need. Now the process or the method. So these are the methods you can use. First, you separate the egg white from the yolk. Then you beat the egg yolk with 50 grams of sugar till white or creamy. Then you add in your flour, your oil, your milk, your baking powder, and the flavor into the egg yolks that you have beaten. Then you keep it aside. On a separate clean dry bowl and clean dry whisk, you whip egg whites till stiff peak. Then you add the rest of the 50-gram remaining sugar. The remaining sugar, okay, you'll be adding this gradually as you whip the egg white until the egg white become perfectly stiff that it cannot fall off from the bowl. Then you fold in the egg white into the egg yolk mixture. You line your 11 by 10 inches rectangular pan, or you can use a square pan with a baking paper. Then you pour in the batter. Make sure that you don't incorporate too much air into it so that it will not deflate while baking. So you pour in the batter. Then you're going to place this on a tray. Then place it in your middle rack of your oven. You can place water in a plate or something in another tray under it so that it will keep it moist so it doesn't dry out while it's baking. So you bake in your preheated oven until it turns brown on the outside. Then you put a skewer inserted into it must come out clean. Then you know that it's ready. Then you can apply your filling. Here I use the ice cream and whipped cream filling, and then you roll it. So that's how to make a perfect Swiss roll.